Hey there, today I am sharing the ultimate list of comfortable shoes for travel outfits that are versatile for your different vacation activities. I will also share packing tips for your shoes throughout this travel video. If you're going on a vacation and will be walking, the number one shoe I suggest is the Ecco brand. A lot of their shoes are considered sneakers on their website because the sole is like a sneaker. These are also water resistant, which I could wear all day in Europe. If it's going to be raining on your vacation, having a water resistant type shoe is good, and I have several throughout this video. One important travel tip is to check the weather before choosing your shoes for a trip. When you're on the website, you will see some matte colored ones. I do not think the matte ones are comfortable for some reason, and I've tried them on 2 different years recently as well. But the greenish one on the website and the black one that looks pleather, they are both very supportive and comfortable. I could walk in these touring around Europe all day long. If you do like an easily slide on and take off shoe, Skechers are fantastic. I cannot walk around all day touring in another city with the Skechers brand shoes, but I love them for an airport style. They are versatile in their colors. They're easy to slide on and off without your hands. And then some of theirs can be thrown into the washing machine. One travel tip for shoes is to make sure that they are versatile in color or neutral in color, which means that they will coordinate with many outfits, meaning you can pack fewer shoes because every other vacation outfit will match with those. If you need my newest list of vacation outfit ideas, I will list that video in the description paragraph below and put it in the cards here. You can watch that at any time and come back to this video. Another great shoe for vacation this year is this slide that fits securely without flopping. Because look at, I can barely bend them, but they are so supportive. And I don't like shoes that flop up a lot, especially if you're going on a beach vacation where it could be raining. You do not want the shoes to flop a lot, because if you walk through puddles or in rain, it's going to flop all the water up on your vacation outfit or your legs even. If you have puffy skin by your toes or near your arch, these are going to be too snug for you. The 8.5 was a little too loose for me, and the 8 is a snug fit, but I liked it being snug for a vacation outfit. I would wear this with shorts to lunch on vacation or with a dress, but I'm not going to walk around all day in it for support reasons. Another new slide I got just because it was so cute is this blue gingham, and they do have several patterns available. But one thing I like that many of my travel audience likes is that you need a lot of space in the middle of your foot because it's a higher rise or something. I mean, there's no arch support, but for a cute little vacation outfit, this is great. And your foot fits more through it versus these where just your toes are going to go through it. This one, more like half of your foot almost will go through it and feel secure to me. Do not forget my travel tip of detaching the puffy part of this jewelry case and sliding it into this part for a little extra protection. Chaco is another great brand for supportive travel shoes, but I have worn these. They're not available, but this brand would be a great choice for you to research. I learned this on our recent spring break trip, and that is, even though I have worn these shoes before, I have not this year, and I got a blister after just a few hours walking around San Antonio. So just wear them again in your house one day before you take them on vacation this year. Here are 4 travel hacks for packing shoes and a bonus tip. Pack shoes in a shower cap. You can pack them in a packing cube or one of the pieces from a packing cube. Pack your shoes in a free produce bag. I've also packed mine in a newspaper bag that you get on your driveway. And the bonus tip is, remember, you do not have to pack your shoes together as a pair. I absolutely love Merrell shoes, and these are great because they can get wet. I have a green pair that I wore in Hawaii. I've gotten them so wet that I needed a newer pair. This is a neutral color, and that's a travel tip for shoes. If you have neutral shoes, especially in the spring and summer, they are going to elongate your leg with your skin tone. So if you're a darker skin tone, choose a darker shoe, and that way you do not have to necessarily match this with your outfits per se, if that makes sense, because it's the same skin tone color. So then my shorts and my shirt, or my skirt and my shirt, will be versatile with it. But these are great. Merrell is fantastic for arch support and support. Notice that you can customize the fit with the Velcro on the back of the heel as well as where the arch of your foot would be going. You are able to change the Velcro. And then there's also a little bitty stretch right here in this part of the strap as well. When making a packing list, think of how many vacation outfit bottom pieces will match with these neutral tone shoes. Okay, I tried 2 of these 1.5-inch heel wedge espadrille shoes. They are so comfortable, and the knot right here is stretchy. The other straps, although they were angled and elongate your foot, it was really hard to get my heel into this wedge. I know some of you do not like to show your toes in the spring or summer with your vacation outfits. This is such a beautiful shoe, and it's comfortable. I have worn it with capri trousers as well as shorts for a vacation look. A similar shoe to this wedge is from Walmart in a black or a neutral beige color. Its heel is probably only a 1/2 inch. I bought this exact style for vacation by Ecco. It's the Soft 7 slip-on sneaker, but then I remembered that I have these in another version. You may prefer what I do, and that is to wear socks with this style shoe, even though it is called a slip-on. And they also have a similar style that has come out this year that I'll also link. If you prefer to go barefooted for vacation travel, I recommend inserting these cheap insoles for 2 reasons. In the summer especially, they absorb sweat, and they protect your shoes from permanent smells. If you do need some boots for travel, I will talk about those near the end of this video. Many of you love this shoe. To me, it is not supportive whatsoever, but I've worn them with my airport outfits several times. The gray color is still available, and there is a white and one other neutral color. I can't remember. They are very easy to put on and take off. They are so neutral, so they are going to match almost everything. But like I said, I could not tour all day in Europe with these. Another sneaker that is still available, or you may want to just try this brand, it's Time and True at Walmart. These are still available. My white ones with the black star are sold out and have been for almost a year, but these are super cute and casual enough for a vacation airport outfit or for a few hours during the day. With my swim cover-up, I just found these shoes. I took these in the gray version to Hawaii last year. I believe the Velcro is very secure and these shoes are very supportive. So here's my travel tip. If you're going to a vacation spot where the pool or the beach or somewhere where you're going to get wet is a ways to walk, these are great shoes. Like, it was so wonderful having these in Maui because the end of the island where we stayed on, we had to walk down the hill and across the street to get to the beach, and they are completely water resistant. I mean, it's like a plastic, but a very supportive cushion right there as well. I love these better than the gray version. I didn't need them, but because it was peach, it was more my skin tone. You could also wear these with a dress and it still looks like a sandal. So a 2-for-1 on vacation. So you pack fewer shoes. Here are 4 places in your suitcase to pack shoes. Pack them one by one around the edges of your carry-on. Pack 1 pair or just 1 shoe in the outer pocket if they're flat enough. Pack each shoe flat inside the suitcase where you stow the handle, where they go down and make like a cavern of space. Remember the classic packing tip to put undies or socks down inside your shoes? I forgot to include this shoe, which is so supportive and comfortable for travel. There are 2 fantastic features. Besides the cushion and support, you have the buckle that does not dig into your skin, and it is Velcro closure. You do not have to undo the buckle to put them on or take them off. But the color is just too dark for my skin, so I did return them. I'm planning on going to Europe in the fall, and I got these boots and highly recommend them. They are also Ecco brand. Blondo is another great brand that I have used before. They sell out so fast. They're a Canadian brand, but you can find those at Nordstrom. And Nordstrom is just close to my house, but they also do free shipping and returns. So that's why I use them a lot. And then I also love this tall boot. I mean, the leather is so beautiful, but it's got a little bit of suede in the back. I can walk all day in both of these boots, as well as the other boot that I used this winter that is still available with the red sole. They have a taller version and a shorter version. I walked around Breckenridge so many hours with these shoes. They are very comfortable and supportive. And some of them are not because they're so bulky and big, but I highly recommend those. And this wedge is super cute and comfortable for a few hours, and it is not waterproof at all. So it's just for a cute little winter outfit. Wear it with leggings and some snow socks and a big old long tunic and be super cozy with these. All right, let me know where you will be traveling in these shoes this year, and let me know if you have another brand or style that you want to recommend to people. Do not miss the recommendations from our travel tip community members, like not members, but our people who comment. They take the time to comment. Don't miss that part because they do travel even more than I do somewhat. All right, thanks again for your time.